I used to think something was wrong with me. Every night, same story. Scrolling at 2 a.m., promising myself tomorrow will be different. But here's the truth. You're not the problem. You just haven't found what works for you. Yet. And the best version of yourself? It's not built in one big jump. It's built from small choices, repeated every single day. So I started small. Day 1, water first, phone after. I wanted my brain to wake up before the internet did it for me. Day 2, leave 10 minutes earlier. That tiny buffer killed my morning panic. I stopped showing up stressed. I showed up ready. Day 3, one podcast on the commute, one useful idea. Dead time became growth time. Day 4, 60-second desk reset. Not perfect, just clear. Starting work became easier than putting it off. Day 5, I muted the unimportant notifications. If it's not urgent, it can wait. My focus finally became mine again. Day 6, I practiced saying no to small things so I could say yes to my priorities. Day 7, pack tomorrow's bag. 2 minutes. Future me deserved an easier morning. And honestly, it worked. My night routine wasn't about being perfect. It was one simple rule. Phone across the room, sleep mode on. You can't scroll what you can't reach. Nothing changed dramatically overnight, but week after week, the habits stacked. My mind got clearer. My mornings got calmer. And the best version of me? It wasn't waiting at the finish line. It was being built, one small choice at a time. If you're watching this late at night, feeling stuck, tired, or behind, here's your first move. Pick one habit. Make it tiny, so small you can't say no. And start tonight, because the best version of you doesn't need a perfect plan. It just needs you to begin. Thanks for being here. I really hope this helped you too. I'll see you in the next one.